Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off private browsing on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you want to turn off the private browsing that I'm here right now, if you want to turn it off, how we can do it, or I wanted to completely get rid of this. So to do so, what you need to do is, you can see at the bottom there is a three dot over here. What you need to do is you just need to tap at the bottom over here. So right now we can see we have two options, either bookmark and all tabs. You have to tap on all tab. And right now, as you can see, we're in the private browsing. Over here at the bottom you can see we have an option called private, and also if you tap on the full tab, also you can see we have another option as well. So this is actually not private, this is the way it usually looks like, but if you wanted to go back to the private, you have to tap over here, so you'll be taken to the private browsing. But if you want to turn it off, which means I want to turn off it, so I just need to go over here, and right now as you can see, if I go over here and search it, I can do it in just usual way. So this is how we can turn it off the private browsing. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.